Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can get secret key to another person's wallet. Now it's pretty simple and it's pretty difficult as well. First you need to have access to that person's trust wallet on their phone. By that I mean just take their phone, and after you get their phone and you open their trust wallet, you need to click on setting at the top, and then you need to click on wallets, and from inside here you need to click on the three dot and then click on over here where it says manual, and then enter the password. And if you don't know his password, then go ask his password, enter it over here, and then it's going to show you secret phrase like this. Now this is the only way you guys can get access to another person's secret phrase. In short form, the person has to tell you their secret phrase. And the reason why it's really hard to get secret phrases is because it's like asking somebody what's the pin to your bank account or what's the pin to your credit or debit card. Of course nobody's going to give it. And if you give your secret recovery phrase to any person or secret key to any person, they can literally open your trust wallet from anywhere in the world, and they can transfer your crypto or steal your crypto easily. So the only way you guys can get secret key to another person's trust wallet is to get their phone or to ask them yourself. Otherwise, no, you cannot, okay? And please do not give your secret key to anybody else as well if you don't want your crypto to be stolen. If you want your crypto to be stolen, just give your secret phrase to anybody you want, okay? So I hope you understand how you guys can get secret key to another person's trust wallet. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.